Good morning, everybody. This is Squid here. So we were heading up to Astoria, Oregon. We're going to be doing a wiper motor on a 2016 Nissan Versa Note S. So we'll go through that, and I had to go get the part at a pick and pull. Couldn't get the part ordered in time for the customer and all that. So hopefully the one I got works. The customer did their own diagnosis, said it was the wiper motor, so let's hope it is just that. They said the fuses were good. So, but there's always more things to a system than just fuses. So we'll get up there, we'll get that changed out, and we'll see if it is. Alright, see you up there. We're at this Nissan Versa Note S. As always, we're going to do the wiper. Well, we're going to be doing the wiper motor, but as always, disconnect your battery first. We'll get this done up, and then we're going to need a 14 to remove this. We'll get a pick to remove that cap, and I'll get back to you. Squid's Mobile. Squid's Mobile Repair. Hello? So when we get the nuts off, what you want to do, you want to just take your, I'm going to put the hood back down, but just rock these back and forth. Don't be, they'll eventually break, but just kind of rock them back and forth. Don't be putting anything underneath here to pry, as you can break the glass, just to let you know. Get a little bit loose there. Alright, I'll get back with you when I get them both off. Next thing you want to do, once you have wipers off, you want to take yourself a trim tool, take out the tabs. Make sure you take them out easily. Don't want to break them. Go down the line here. There's a couple missing. Like I said, just take those on up. Alright, get back over there and get this off. We're going to get all this junk cleaned out of here. We don't want to leave that in there. That could cause you problems. Know that. And back there is the connector. You're just going to take that off. And stick your hand down in here. Get it down in here, or you put your hand in the other way. You may have to just sometimes just go ahead and undo this. Need a 10 bolts, and you're going to want to that nut off there. So this back one, just take it's a little bit harder to get to, but just take your time. It's because the windshield is in the way. So what you want to do is just push on the connector and pull it out. I'm going to take a look at this. All that. We have the new one we got out of that pick and pull, so we're going to make sure that they do match up. They should. It's the same vehicle. And all that. 3602 356. Can't read today. 602. Yep, okay. We're just going to put it back in the same way we took it out. We got the windshield wipers back on. And all that. We got it all put back together. This piece right here was damaged before. I'm going to let the customer know about it. They could get one, pick one up and change that out on their own. All that, but we'll get this battery hooked back up and get it all tested out. Hopefully it was just that motor. So we got it all working back together correctly now. Works through all the like it's supposed to and all that, so we are all good. This job is done.